What's going on? No Googling? Not Googling.
Coin near 100 PLS.
Whoa. Let's take a look at this first. What's going on here with coin? Is there news on this? Coin teams up with BlackRock.
Dollar coin teams up with BlackRock.
Pretty nutty move here in the pre-market. Not sure I'd want to mess with it in pre-market. Assuming Brian's already in this.
NKLA Samuolo.
I ain't going strong. Definitely feels like it's going to go to 100. There it is. Yeah, I figured there'd be some big sellers right there. All right, let's just do Orbital because I'm not trading that right now. Wow, look at this thing go. Where is this going? First spot on the daily looks like it would be 112. Yeah, 112. If it gets to that on this first move like this, I might have to take a stab with some small shares here. But might be waiting until the bell. Sheesh. This thing go. This must be some really good news. Who is BlackRock? Isn't that like I know it's a company, I just don't know which company. It's so funny, I was just talking about Rogue Trader. Rogue. It's two vowels out of there. Changes the R. E in the right spot. Okay. Man. What a move, huh? It starts with an R, it ends in an E. It has to be a I. A-E-I-O-U. Sometimes Y. Look at coin. This is nutty. I'm gonna have to try this right here. Does it go right through that area? Maybe I just try to wait for like a backside entry on this. What a move. So I got 2.5 minutes until the bell. Here's that 112. It went right to it. And that's that spot on the daily. Man.
Coin.
Wish I would have Just took it. Literally right to the line. Insane. I mean, I called that out when it was at like 106. Ugh. Brutal. Brutal. It was right off the daily. And look, there it is right there. Went right to it. It had nothing to hit until there. Ah, it's brutal. I'm sorry. I do not like pre-market. I am not a fan of pre-market. All right. See if we can do this real quick. Rhino? Oh, it can't be. Rhine? Is Rhine a word? I'm gonna run out of time. What? So it's got to be a Y? Oh, rhyme. There we go. So, Justin, when this pops up, this screen, if you hit share, it says copied results to clipboard. And then you can go to maybe, I wonder if you can do it in Paint. Let's see. Nope, Paint doesn't work. But if you go to like Discord, you can just hit Control V and it'll give you. Is this so big? It'll give you this. So it'll show you Wordle 411, 4 for 6, and then it'll show it like that. That'd be a lot easier for you than how you did it. I could stop. Oh my. I don't be misclicking like that when the market opens. All right. Ah, that's frustrating. What's up, Jaggy? What's up, Market? We need a name for Justin's new fitness channel. Does he have one? Good luck, Nakama. I gotta join the Discord. Good morning, good luck.
Good morning.
What a move out of coin, huh?
Yeah. It's crazy.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
What's up,
I've
AJ?
come to talk with you again.
They kind of just got legitimized, you know?
Yeah, BlackRock. I mean, that don't mean they're legitimized, but
That means a legitimate group that's doing business with them, so you figure they're probably not doing business with somebody if they don't find them to be legitimate. I think
or
that's
BlackRock
the
just found a
overall-
way to make profit off of them.
Either way, it's definitely encouraging investors to buy.
They're halting. It's halting. That's why I didn't want to play it in pre-market, because I was like, well, this thing could just keep going. It's funny, when it was at like 105, I looked at the daily. I was like, this is going to go to 112 and reject. I even drew the line, and it literally went to exactly 112 and rejected. Pretty insane.
Over it now.
Oh, well, yeah, but it already made the big pullback I would have been looking for. But I wish it would have did that in normal hours.
I wouldn't short that thing. I told everybody in the room I wouldn't short it with your account.
I'm not now. That's insane. It's gonna halt. I'm not shorting it right now
Well,
anyway. Look at it. They're
This
playing with
thing
the
could
halt and
open
everything.
up 20, 30 bucks higher. I mean,
Well, they're playing with it.
yeah, but it will probably halt. I'm gonna quit looking at it. What are you looking at, Jag? Anything good besides this?
Nah,
Nah.
I don't like anything else. I
What
don't
did
like
AMD do? These kind of squeeze.
I tried
them out.
pulling up MDU, but my chart still hasn't loaded.
Awesome.
Yeah, it's
Jesus,
literally
look
like
this thing
20
go, dude.
seconds. Yeah, it's trying to halt again. They're just playing with the halt price. That's the worst part.
Oh crap! None of my charts are loading. Awesome, awesome.
There it goes.
Oh, okay, this one did.
So I'm starting to think it's not a specific ticker, that's doing that. I'm starting to think it's just on DOS's side because we were just looking at two different tickers that weren't loading, and then they both loaded at the same time.
Oh
It's kinda-
lord, man, everything's kind of going crazy right now.
Yeah, but nothing is. What the heck is this
Neo just had a big pop.
RELY? Again, with no volume on any of this. Ooh, somebody marketed out a coin just now.
I just made a little bit on Yell.
Yell?
Yeah.
Yeah, I pulled it up myself and got a shitty starter, so.
Yeah, I left that alone because of yesterday's after hours.
Didn't break over those highs. No, that's not your jam.
I mean, it could be, but the move wasn't good enough to warranty playing it
Warranted.
under it. Yeah.
Yeah. Neo
What's your
all the way back down.
What's your average in that, Thomas?
All right, 92.
Chart not loading.
My starter, and then I added it 719.
Yeah, you better than me.
And I got out at 95.
And if people have the money to manipulate coin, they probably have so many people underwater right now.
Yes.
Oh, bro.
If they could run this to the highs, they'd probably short squeeze like a mofo.
I think saying people are underwater and that is a massive understatement.
I'm even talking like today, like just from pre-market.
Oh, I'm sure there were people shorting it under 100.
You
And
went
then it
RX.
had this friggin' short squeeze.
QNRX is playing its game again today.
I so wanted to long it, but I just couldn't find that in me.
Definitely not. To what? I don't know what that was to.
QNRX?
Oh, Jack with
That's what
Justin.
was actually
Gotcha.
wacky at the end of the day yesterday.
That would
That's
be
probably
pretty
just my
funny.
charts. They don't like to load on anything anymore.
Dude,
Who's
these
a money
charts not loading sucks.
Oh, bro, it's so frustrating, man. Everything pull up, I just sit there looking at nothing for like
Yeah,
20
it's a little
seconds, 30
ridiculous.
seconds.
It's clearly on the back end of DOS.
Watching CVNA.
Hello, motherfucker.
Hold on, I got one candle. Let me see. Kind of hard to trade without knowing what the other candle look like. Oh my god. Still only
CVNA
have
up.
one candle.
Carrot.
Alright, cool.
Coin making a now coin's trying to halt down.
Hey, I got CVNA. Oh my lord. CVNA has been going straight up on the daily, is this true? That's what I see.
I mean, it's stair stepping. I wouldn't say straight up.
Oh, no, never mind. Only like some of my candles were loaded on the daily. Because DOS is sucking.
Did not
massive
get that move.
butthole.
Got it.
Coin halted down.
Yeah, it just dropped what, $9?
That's just a pullback at this point.
I don't like the way ENA is trading. I'm glad I got out. Very jumpy, very spready.
Order
1,000
filled.
of volume.
FVRR.
Another one. No volume.
Took a starter in
it's not
FVRR.
Earnings.
Fever? No
Run it.
volume. Can't trade it. I can't trade any of this shit.
I don't like run.
Freaking spread on CVNA sucks.
Yes, it's jumpy.
Sucks everywhere, man.
No
CVNA
volume
up.
anywhere.
I got out at like 38. It was showing freaking, I'm sorry, 37, 38. And it was showing 37.
Yes.
That's part of the reason why I throw that million volume rule, because normally you don't see that disappear until you have at least a million. And then you see the spread normally
Upstart
evening
with a
out.
big move, but we don't have shares.
Yeah, I saw that.
UPSTHTB.
I missed it.
I do not like any of these shirts.
I am indeed not really liking this at the moment, especially spread sucks.
And now my charts are loading.
Not sure I want to let this go back up through my average. Like to see the 39.50 test right now. Hanging out up
The
here.
imbalance in coin.
For earnings.
It's 105 basically.
Just took that off.
Moving around a little bit, but that's basically where it is.
How jumpy Neo was. Up, down, up, down. Oh my god, these charts not loading is making me so irritated.
Try to be a little more patient with an ad here.
Spy dropping.
What is?
Spy. Good old spy.
You watching, Tim?
I'm still in FVRR.
CVNALNT.
Not really watching too much else.
Gotcha, gotcha.
BL's back up high today.
Who is?
Yeah, I'm in it still.
Yell. You got back in, or you're still in?
You never got
I'm
out.
still in it.
Yeah.
Yeah, the spread gave them crappy entry.
So what's your average now?
710.
Starting to go up again.
What is?
Spy. Just went up the bottom.
Coin with a lock.
The coin open now.
Oh yeah, it's dropped another $3.
It's quite the drop out of coin.
I can't do jack with
Coin
this,
with a hell yeah.
97.50 is like the next area I see. I'm not touching that.
That just gap. I hate trades like this. Literally gapped from the last candle. Yikes. There's like no selling pressure. This isn't exactly the trade I wanted, and I could have been out of this a long time ago.
Oh, yeah. Help me out, Jake.
Order filled.
Fortune
Who's that? I don't
pennies.
know.
Order cancelled.
No.
I don't know either, man.
Upstart's back to base high a day. After dropping like $1.
I don't want bias on that one, not gonna lie. If my charts would load, that would be fantastic. You having these issues too, Jag, or no?
On some things, yeah. Not on everything, though.
My charts, I literally have upstart up this whole time. It won't load.
Order filled.
So up there it goes. Finally loaded.
Don't like it.
Unbelievable, man.
Don't bounce right off me. Don't you dare.
Stop looking at that because
Don't you
Crap,
dare
start
bounce
on, start
right
on.
off me.
yeah, and it's jumpy.
Yeah, I don't like the way this is trading. Not.
I just
Thomas
got rid
would
of
say not fluid. Not fluid. What's Neo doing? Is that trading better? Oh, it's squeezing.
it. You get any ads on Yell, Thomas?
Order
I
filled.
got my starter +1. I'm sitting there contemplating just cutting it and taking the loss and not, because it obviously didn't turn into what I wanted it to be.
Yep.
And FBRR never would fucking load till the actual drop happened. So
Yep.
You're averaging that, Tammy.
42.14, basically right here. I took some off.
There you
Looks
go.
like that
Oh,
was
there
a
you
fun
go.
trade.
FVRR dollar.
Get spready on you too.
It's been this way the whole time.
Fair market. It was like a spread fest today, man. I'm saying I'm not touching anything until I see A+. Not trading crap. Refusing. Too much respect for my money.
Feels like it wants to try to go higher. It keeps trying. Trying to let it do its thing.
Eliminating it off the street.
I'm not going to let this go back
Trash,
against
man.
us.
Like, look at this stupid upstart. Still trading like crap, and my charts won't even load.
Almost got down to 14. What'd it go to 20 something? 41.20s? But then it shot right back
AUPH
up.
up. FFIE up.
Order cancelled. Order filled.
Yeah, happy to get out of that one. That was an annoying one. That thing like really took off, huh? Watching
Lord, is that
FFIE.
almost a 70-cent spread on that fever?
I'm out of it. And AUPH.
Just pulled up AUPA.
And then, what the hell? I'm watching how that spread. See, no. What are you watching?
AUPH and FFIE.
That should be better than this. That's at least a bigger, more well-known company.
UPH isn't even moving.
Yeah, it's not.
It went up and just so I'm done with that. I like FFIE, but I don't have any shorts on it.
SFIE. Oh my lord, I don't know if I like it or not. I have one candle.
There's more
I
than
have
one.
plenty of shorts. Oh, okay, now I got more than one candle. Jeez. This is unbelievable how long it's taking these shirts to load.
TraderSync. Nah, I don't. Maybe. I need more, but maybe.
No, what's SFIE?
Wow, coin. Holy crap.
I know. Down to 97.
Wish I would
That's
have
kinda
traded
where
that
I
shit.
thought it wouldn't bounce, but
That was a hell of a weird move, though. Pre-market into the open.
Mm-hmm.
It's risky business, man. One of those easy hindsight looking moves. Wish I would have shorted that. But if it was up at 150, we'd be like, ah, I'm so smart.
Hold up PCRX a little bit.
Ride and
There we
TV.
go.
Nice though.
Oops.
Carrot.
Oh my god, all these charts are making me crazy, man.
You get an ad, Thomas, or are you still at 710?
Still at 710.
Today on Jack with Justin, we're working the calves. Let's turn them into cows. Oh, Vincenzo, how I kind of missed you. I did get the Wordle. I think it was 4 tries, four lines. I was too busy watching coin though. It was hard to
God, I'm
focus
hating
on
every
it.
chart, guys.
Trying to pull up ride, and I'm like, why isn't it coming up? I kept spelling the fucking thing wrong.
How do you spell
That
ride
sucked.
wrong?
I was hitting EIDE, because it's right next to the R.
Oh,
I just didn't realize I was typing fast. Just kept doing it over and over.
and you don't spell ride E-I-D-E. What?
Just a little off.
Oh man, what a morning.
And
Roku's.
Revlon's running a little bit.
Plug up.
Gonna
Yeah.
hate that stuff.
ZSR though.
Can't even look at it.
Plug making a move.
Damn, coins back to 101.
Come on, plug. You're supposed to go to 20.
Oh my lord, I hate all these charts, dude.
BBIO up. Slow.
Load, D-Bio. Load. Sure. Oh, you're more than one candle.
That's like super annoying too that that's happening.
Fuck you, yeah.
Got out, I'm assuming, before that.
No. I got out green. I just took it off right as soon as it dropped to 7. I took it off. I'm like, fuck, I'll make my 10 cents and get the fuck out of here.
Yeah, that thing is turned into a straight grinder.
Yeah.
Everything's grinding, man. APH grinding, Elsid grinding, Upstart looking like trash.
I didn't even leave leftovers. I took it all off. I was like, I ain't doing
Like,
it.
screw this. I think especially when you were even contemplating taking it for a loss. Once you get a little green, you're probably not holding for more.
Oh, look at it. Good. Stick it to me, girl.
Yeah, CVNA did that to me. If you look at CVNA now, it's like it went down a ton after I got out. But I just didn't like the way it was trading.
Oh, I was in it at the top, Jack. I was in it. Let's see, what was my starter on CVNA? 37.53.
Oh yes, mine was 47, so you were better than me. Look at that. When did you get out though?
Oh,
Oh, that's right. You got 37.
37.38.
I got out 37, 20, 23.
Yeah. I hit the button when it said freaking $37. It got filled up there. I was like, what the fuck?
Coin
Yeah,
generous
crazy.
trails. We'll keep some for
And
swing.
then it drops to freaking under 36.
Red spreads everywhere.
Yeah. I did if I had shorts. Might get a lot higher, but
So
STAF, I'd want it up around 450, but it's not going to do it.
do we have shorts in that? This video. It's not a while. She said, "Hold my beer."
Good.
Anybody wants to try the stock jock method? You can jump in NBIV. Oh, not anymore.
Oh, NVIV.
Jump in going into that halt and watch it open up $3 higher or something.
CB's having a good morning.
Huh?
He's up $6,000 right now.
I'll be up like $500 by the end of the day.
Yeah, I don't know what the hell he. Oh, he
Where's
traded.
he making all this money on? Oh, I guarantee you traded coin.
He may have. Oh yeah, he had a call on it. I don't know what he made on that though. Traded QNRX again, the one he lost a lot of money on yesterday. Then MAIA, what that is.
GAM is halted down.
Goodness.
GM.
No, I wasn't wearing
Imbalance
the
is 7,
headphones.
so the imbalance
I
is
knew
right
I was
there.
going outside real quick with the dog, so.
See imbalance on InViv.
And it is 950.
Heard it that time.
I seriously watched that thing go into the halt, and I did debate, and I was like, "That's not me." It worked so well for stock jock yesterday. You never know. I do think that's gonna go higher.
As of right now, it looks like the imbalance is right there.
Yeah.
I think your chances of it gapping higher are better on like volume out of nowhere type plays, not ones that had like a crazy pre-market and all that crap.
I was watching that thing from pre-market, though. I do think that thing wants more than what it did.
Oh, I'm not disagreeing with you. I'm just
Just on the
saying I
daily.
think the gap ups after a
Oh,
halt
the gap
are,
up and run.
yeah.
Yeah. NDS. Charlie's. I don't know. Everything was just doing weird stuff.
The QRTEB just halted. The hell that is.
Fiverr came back down after trying to go higher. Fucker.
Oh. QRTEB looks interesting with the halt.
What is it?
QRTEB.
Way too many letters in that, bro.
Four's too many, and then you're throwing another one in there?
Yeah, when you go into 5-letter symbols, that's I just don't trade them.
Yeah, it's at 1898 and the imbalance is 16.
Oh, really? See, mine says 9. It's so weird. I mean, I believe yours more than mine, because mine just does it right when it halts and then just sticks there. It's so weird
What
that
did yours
sometimes
say?
that works and sometimes it doesn't.
Yeah.
Mine says
What does yours
19.
say, Jag? Mine says 19, but what does yours say, Jag?
1701 now. It was 16 a minute ago.
And ours is staying steady at 19.
N is 984 now on the imbalance.
Did you watch the plug move, Tim?
Sorta, yeah.
Watch the butt plug move
I
in and
I
out.
watched it, but when I pulled it up, it had already made the high and it was at like 2405 or something. So I was looking for it to go back up into the 20s at least, and it never did. Obviously.
Gotcha.
Yeah, I remember you
Yeah, I
saying
couldn't get
you're
it to
supposed
load
be
up.
20.
for me.
Yeah, it literally just chopped around like 24, like up by a couple cents on either side of it, and then it finally is doing what it's doing.
$975 on NVIV if anybody cares.
Going up.
$975.
I think
Dude,
that's
I got
at least
somebody in the background talking in one of my freaking on my desktop, and I can't figure out how or why.
TVTX
In your
earnings.
in your Chrome, if you have, do you use Chrome?
Yes.
I'll say up in the tabs, you can, it'll have like a little speaker next to the name of it if it's one of the tabs.
Yeah,
Well, then
no. It's almost like I'm
bought
hearing
it.
stock jock is what I'm hearing.
Do you have like another tab open somewhere?
No.
Or like another browser, I mean? Like hover over the Google Chrome tab in the bottom in the taskbar and see if there's a
Just
second
you.
window.
It's just you.
So,
Yeah, straight move would have worked.
NGAM just continued to die.
it's AUPH is trying again.
Ooh, the
It's kinda
QRTB. It opened up around 16, but now it's just jumpy.
We did the QRTBF HQYZ.
With that one.
Thomas, the other way you can do it is to open up the volume mixer.
Look at
And
this
then you can see
NVID,
it.
man. I'm telling you, that thing's gonna rip, man, but I'm afraid of it.
It's doing exactly what ENLB and QNRX did yesterday.
I guarantee you.
These halts, y'all, nuts. Oh, here we go. 1 minute.
And we hear it too.
No. Shit.
Yeah, what the heck is that? That's not stock. It's something.
Dude, I don't have any browser open.
Go open up your volume mixer. So right click the little sound thing down the bottom and then click volume mixer. It'll show you all your sources, and then you'll be able to see where it's coming from.
All I have is the lounge and Discord. It's got to be in Discord.
Okay,
Did you
on
get
the
it?
left
Let's figure it
side of
out.
Discord, do you see the channels? Do any of them have the little green sound icon besides this one?
Devin, did you get it?
What?
And
No.
No.
Because you can't be in two sound things at the same time in Discord. That's why I don't
I'm
think it's
totally
Discord.
afraid of that, dude.
I don't
100%.
You should have just gotten in it at the
100%
halt,
afraid.
like you said you were going to.
I
You'd be a
know,
millionaire.
I wasn't going to, but I was like, I should. Oh, we can run out of it. We did. Halting again. Get in, guys. Get in.
That is not financial advice.
No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
There's
I
the
don't
halt.
think anybody should get in. But if you did get in, good luck.
Halt imbalance is 1177.
Jesus. Oh, I
You
got
see
that
now
too.
it was working for me for a second there, yeah, because it even changed. Now it's just 1177.
And now mine's 1150.
ORGN
See, I think
6.70
ours like
orders
gives
in.
the initial, and then it just stays there. Like whatever it
AUPH
kind of does right out of
10.20
the
orders
alt,
in.
into the alt. Bananas, dude.
It's okay. I would have had to hold through that going back towards the highs, and I didn't want to. If I would have top ticked it, sure, but didn't. What's this buy doing?
Oh my lord. Now I got
Yeah.
AWX halted on circuit breaker. I can't remember this one. This is like one of the ones that Guy Gentile messed around with.
Which one?
AWX.
I
Oh,
want
yeah.
hold.
That's the one, AWX. Then he
He
also
did it
was
to 2 or 3 of them. I mean, and it was like right in a row.
he was heavy into this LCI too, I remember. Oh, it's at 50 cents.
That wasn't one of his pumps. That
No,
was like
no, that
something
was
he
one where he
claiming.
was he was
He
like,
was
this
like,
is going
gonna
to
go the
20.
moon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was like stuck at $8 forever, and now it's at
This
50 cents.
AWX was one of the ones where he bought like a big part of the float, if not the whole thing.
Oh yeah, he got in trouble for that one.
I plugged back to high today.
I think that's kind of what cost him his broker, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah.
Little fun, made a lot of money, and they were like, hey, you don't get to be this anymore. Now give us like a quarter of that money you made, and we'll let you keep doing what you do. Because we are the government and very, very professional and totally honest and upfront. We're not going to say you can't trade anymore. We're just going to say give us a quarter of what you made there, okay? All right, now we're cool. We're cool. It's a fine. Don't do it again. Unless you want to give us another quarter. Dude. Friggin' the government's so shady. I swear to God, I don't know what to do today. Like, all this crap looks just like Chinese to me.
So,
Justin, you know what really sucks? Is when you kill it one day, eating and like working out and stuff, and you still gain a
What are you
pound.
looking at, Jag? Anything good?
It's like, yo,
wait for NVIP to open. Not that I can do it. I'm going to do anything with it, but
yo.
You gonna go
Come on.
long right out of that unhalt?
I'm pretty scared.
Click the buy, 5,000 shares, full in SJ.
See what happens.
See what happens. You're either gonna make a lot of money or lose a lot of money.
Yeah,
Is it still 1177? That's what mine says.
1170.
Still
moved
a
it
pretty
I see what I'm
decent
saying.
gap up.
Ours doesn't change. Ours just stays the same.
Yeah. It did change at first, like when it first halted, but then it got stuck.
Yeah, I think it like it changes going right into the halt, and like whatever that ask goes to, or bid or whatever. That's where it's done. They obviously don't update it because it never changes.
Now it's 71. Now it's 70.
See, Jags is updating constantly. Holy chips ahoy, guys. I did take one trade in pre-market, but I mean, I didn't make it. I made $9. I didn't even post it just because it was stupid. I didn't remember what it was. Oh, it was staff. STAF.
Yeah.
Viv, you got about 15 seconds.
Yeah. Now it's 71. I think it's going to go to 12.
Let's see. And Viv,
Yeah. 73 now.
I mean, 1194 is its first.
Oh.
Oh, but
It went to
right
12.
above that.
Hit
That
12.
might be the hard part, though. That 1194. If it gets above it, I say $14. If not, I think it comes down from here a bit.
It's playing with the 12 and then just dropping.
I was gonna say there was
14
definitely
bucks
a
incoming.
seller. There was a seller at 12, that's for sure. Well, it's got to
$14
stop at
incoming.
1288 first.
Yeah.
And then it'll just unhaul, out of the unhaul, it'll just open up at 14.
Guess we should have
Pretty
long that.
nutty
right
move. Yeah, why didn't we long this into the first halt like Devin said?
Well, somebody said to do that, and I can't remember who it was.
They're like 940 something.
Dude was smart.
PACB
there.
earnings.
Smart.
Only if that dude would put his money where his mouth is.
I will not on these, dude. This is such a gambling trade.
Oh,
I do
I
not
agree.
feel bad that I didn't trade that at all. I did think it was going to go up today, but is that my trade? Hell no.
His balls hasn't dropped yet.
That isn't me, dude. That's low float crazy crap. That's
Whew.
Ross Cameron. 14
Definitely,
bucks. Come
definitely
on.
going up higher, or it's definitely going up quicker than it comes down. That's for sure.
Well, somebody's playing with the halts now.
Oh yeah, they want to get to 14.
Yeah.
Want to prove Devin right?
Devin, what are you doing? Are you doing this?
It's me. It's me. I'm in charge. I told you guys 14, but I actually sold at 13.50, just in case.
Buy the dip. Buy the dip. What the heck is this
If you're at
AUPH chart?
1284, AUPH, I'll just tank from over here.
Is that real? Like, is my chart not
Yeah,
loading, or is that an actual
No,
gap?
That's really no. There's no gap.
There's no gap on mine on AUPH.
No
Oh, look at my chart.
You
I
can't.
guess Devin can't.
Oh,
Dude,
I
there's
got
a
it.
huge gap.
I don't know why you have that.
What the heck?
Toss is awesome lately.
I was like, there's at least some volume in this. Why would it do that? Oh, there it goes.
APDN is popping. I don't like it.
Is Pac B doing anything? Can't pull it up.
Yeah, kinda.
Yeah, it's got Thomas's ski slope going on. Bye, malls.
Apparently,
Have fun.
It's on
Love you.
earnings.
Pack been small.
We're having 3 million volume. It's slow as balls.
Oh, you talking about PACB?
Yeah.
See if it'll work. Hey, it loaded.
Yeah, I already did one of these slow ones today. I had enough of those.
And Viv back to the highs. Trying.
Look at Plug. Plug going crazy. Not really.
Yeah, that's another one. Just grinding.
Grinder. What's up with these
Alright, kiss.
2 letters in them?
With what?
There's another stock that just unhalted, LTRPB. Now it won't load for me.
Ooh,
I mean,
NVIV.
one candle, but I'm like, what the hell?
Buy the dip on NVIV? Question mark.
Jesus.
Yeah, see, look, now it's moving for me. 11, now it's stuck 1142. Nope, 43, 46, 44. Maybe it only works on down halts.
Mine's stuck at 46.
Yeah, mine's stuck again.
How
But
does-
it was
but-
moving. It like showed me, it like gave me a glimpse. Like, hey, if you want to see this, buy level 2, you cheap bitch.
You cheap bitch.
If it wasn't $100 a month, good lord.
I know. Yeah, I'm not paying an extra $100 a month just to see flashy colors.
When that slips
I'm not even gonna see it because I'm not gonna put it up. I just want to fucking.
The imbalance. Yeah.
I wonder if there's a site where you can get them.
$57. Right back, I get the skull.
Pack taking the lunch.
Hmm? We're watching, guys.
Carrot.
$11.80 imbalance.
And Viv.
Yeah. Up. Stock Chuck's in. He has a call on coin, and he's down $1,200 on it. But he's up $6,000 on the day, so I guess it doesn't really matter.
Not. Definitely has some swings.
Yes.
Ready to be up 6 and then up 2.
Today slightly after hitting a new low, yes. Yeah. And it can be so many different things too. It can be water weight. It can just be one thing that you ate that holds inside you a little bit longer, which adds that little bit of weight. It could be that you didn't go to the bathroom as much as you usually do. Like there's so many things that can fluctuate it on a daily basis, which is why they tell you not to check it on a daily basis. But to me, checking it on a daily basis kind of keeps me motivated. Especially when you get those days where it goes straight down. Like, because then there's days where you don't really do anything but eat good. You don't even exercise that day and you end up losing a couple pounds and you're like, what the heck? I used to remember a trick back in the day where I used to go out all the time when I lost all my weight the first time. And I could eat like just normal that day, and then we would go out, and if you get drunk off your ass, it basically dehydrates you for that next morning. You weigh yourself that next morning, you're gonna be like a pound or two down. That's pretty awesome because you pee out all the beer, but then it dehydrates the shit out of you, which gets rid of some of the water weight that you had in
I
you.
just dumped $1.50, something like that.
Oh yeah, it did. Pretty big move down to the lows of the day.
Yeah, went right through them. STAF is moving, supposedly. shorts on it. I don't know if you guys do. $11.97 imbalance on NVIV. Should be opening any second.
I feel like once STF starts moving, it's like the end of it's open NVIV.
Yep. Went right to 12, right to the imbalance. Opened it at.
STAF up 169k. STAF 5.20-ish orders in. STAF down.
He's struggling.
Yeah. Then boom.
Oh boy.
I don't, know how-
I
I don't even know how people play that. You just click a button and click a button. Then whatever it is, it is.
Oh, one button. One button. There's only one button I could push.
Yeah.
That would be the long it, and I should have done it.
Mm-hmm.
Here's an idea. Just do it with like 1/10 the shares.
Cool.
Bad
I
idea.
want to go in with half a share.
Just half a share.
Half, yeah. See what happens.
PACB 6.50 PLS.
I don't know what you're doing. Very jump. Yeah, tired.
Fuck you. God. So. These naked HD guys don't go away, huh? Check these. He's always in here. Another channel. I wonder how he keeps coming in though. If we keep muting him on the channel, they just make new accounts every day. Let alone, why is he in here? I literally have like just you two in here. Oh yeah, like the fire, a space. Yeah. Stupid. Imagine that being your job. Like that's what you do every day.
Call is not working very well.
Hmm. Man, if I had the patience to use High of Day as a stop there on my trade and held full size, it'd be pretty good right now.
Yeah. Yeah, both
Back
ones
below
are
my first entry. Staff up through 5 would be interesting.
How many shares do we have on that?
150K.
Unless they ain't wanting to do it. What a frustrating day.
BHC need to zoom out, Pupa daily.
It's jumping all over the place now. It's a crazy candle it's on right now. 13, 1180s. Well, actually down to 11. $2 candle. Jumping around.
BBBY7K.
APH is going low now.
Wayfair's grinding up.
All I had to do was look away from pack B, change the chart for a second, and it dumps.
It jumped, what, 30, 40 cents?
Yeah, I had that up for like 20 minutes just because I didn't have anything else to put on the chart, and it just kept grinding higher. I take it down for literally 30 seconds.
No, well, you wouldn't have got it in there anyway. It's just annoying.
We're trying to, boys. I was falling asleep.
Falling asleep?
Yeah, I'd like to be. What'd you say, Wayfarer's doing something?
Grinding.
What's that stock?
W.
Ate the chart.
Yeah. Oh, look, 8's on my scanner. What's up with that? I don't like it. I don't
I
like
used to
it
trade
at
that
all.
like every day.
I know. It was a lot higher when I traded it.
I don't know, what you looking at, Jag? You'd always be like, 8er.
Oh, you know what I wanted to look at today? Elson. No, I don't.
Must have had a move earlier. Upstart failed completely today. We would have all been good to short that one.
I wanted to short it around 36, 3063 or something like that, but I just didn't do it. Then it went higher. Came down, then it went higher. Then died. Could have
All
gone
the way down to the bottom. Yeah. Rug, man, not my day. No trades since the bell.
So,
I meant to tell you, Justin, the ginger ale tastes like ginger ale.
you know, like it.
And my favorite so far, I have a new favorite. It's the black cherry. Oh my, the black cherry is delicious.
Coin's down to 92.
Doing this manually, that could be so boring. How's
Guess we
Monkey
should've
doing?
shorted
I used to
that.
watch him for many reasons. That reason being skipping out the competition, just like right now.
116.
That would have been nice.
Black cherry is good, yeah. The root beer I actually didn't like as much. Like the first taste of the root beer was good, but then I don't know, I didn't enjoy it as much. I don't know. My order right now would probably be the black cherry, then the cream soda, and then probably it's probably a toss up between the grape and the cola. The cola is actually good. And it tastes like a normal Coke, but without that like crazy
Look at
sweetness.
FRGE, Jag. See if you got shares. You ain't got enough for me to get in it.
Nope,
Yeah,
not.
we got like 20,000 shares, bro.
That's just my starter, bro. It's done.
Yeah. Your start is 100. Come on, you can start this.
20,000 shares. The starter. That'd be a good starter. Ooh,
What jag?
Like really hungry.
yeah, that one's all
Doing
I
my
ate some
my
eggs.
chart, my
Haven't eaten
scanner.
eggs in a while.
FRGE.
I think of what else. Oh, I do have bacon and ham
No,
in
it
there.
didn't
Can
come up
mix
on
'em in.
mine either. Market Frog threw it up in chat.
Oh,
Damn, I am bored. BRB.
PACBLNT.
BRB,
it doesn't come up.
nada.
Jeez, Pac B really took a dump, huh?
Did it? You just keep going.
Yeah.
Boy's getting killed in his coin call. Down 5,200 now.
I was gonna
On
say,
it.
is he still in it?
Yeah, I don't know what he's doing.
Hope Train.
He
Maybe
actually
he
added
just
it.
feels. I was gonna say maybe he just feels that the news was that good. Wow, he's got 80 contracts.
Yeah, just added
Is that
40.
60 or 80? Oh yeah, it
It's
is
80.
80.
It's 80.
Holy shnikes!
Started out with 20, added 20, and then just got 40.
He does not look very happy at the moment. I guess I wouldn't be either. Oh, and it's going lower, and the SPY is not helping.
You know. So he's basically he was only at like 4,800 up for the day, so he's down now for the day. He doesn't even have his thing up. It says how much money you made today. But
Ivor, Emu,
did that one do it too?
still just dying. Looks just like coin almost. He's so mad at himself because he knows he fucked up.
Mm-hmm.
He's literally, like Thomas said, on the hope train at the moment.
Yep. It may go all the way back down to the 80s. The way it's going, it may go home.
Wouldn't that be nuts? And we're sitting here saying that that news was so ironclad that it makes them legit now, and it'll just go back to where it was.
Yeah.
Fill the gap. This one's kind of brutal. Not brutal, I actually played it pretty well. Considering I tried to go back to the highs.
For all that volume that was going on, where did it all go? There was a ton this morning. Things moving
Right.
like crazy. Gone.
NERV 29K.
He's still holding strong.
I'm so confused by his charts.
Well, that's him trying to do what we had talked about, but he didn't top tick this, so I'm a little confused on that. He held through that, almost going back to the highs.
It's almost like a combination of the traditional para and something what Pigs Get Slaughtered does combined.
Yeah, but like I said, I actually really like the idea of what he's doing with this, but it only works if you top tick it, and I'm a little confused, but I'm assuming he added a F ton of shares because he has 3 arrows up there.
Yeah, at the top, yeah.
That shit is just getting grinded.
Yeah. It's not getting any prettier.
Like, what is he waiting for? Is he waiting for some kind of a bounce to try to get out for a smaller loss? Like,
I don't know.
I
I
just
don't see
don't-
it bounce.
I mean, even if it does bounce, like, I mean, I don't know where he got in because options are weird like that, but like, I don't even know where it would have to go for him to be green.
I don't know. A long way.
What are you guys talking about? SJ's amazing call on Coinbase?
But yeah, he added into it too. He was
No, he
down.
did not.
Yeah.
He's done like 7 grand.
Yeah, he was
So
down
is he
7
red now?
grand.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah,
So he's red.
easily. Yeah.
Oh my god, so he was up 6K and has gone red on the day.
Well, as of right now, unrealized.
Yeah.
That is wacky, dude. I don't understand that dude's trading style.
Well, here,
Like,
I'll tell you his trading
I have
style.
rules set in place, but I have rules set in place where, like, when I'm up a certain point, I won't go below a certain point. So that way I don't
Right.
just give back everything you get. Like, if I
So
make $500, I'm not making under $400. If I make $600, I'm not making under $455, depending. You know. If I get goal, I'm not going back under goal. The end. Now you can tell me his style.
yeah, his style is that he gets into something, it doesn't work right away, so he bangs the table in frustration, but then it starts to work and he starts dancing around the room to disco songs.
That's the style.
I mean, that's
Is
what he
that-
does. I'm just telling
Does
you,
he
like,
teach-
he's a very emotional trader. Is
Emotional
what I'm
trader.
getting at. Yeah.
Does he teach this?
He doesn't necessarily teach, he just shows you what he does, and he said, you know, if you want to do what he does, he basically tells you, look, I show you exactly what I do every day. You can just watch and learn.
You can get in something. If it works, you dance. If it doesn't, you hit the table.
Oh, you mean teach that? Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, like I want to teach. I want to learn the style. So what does he do? Like if it keeps going down, though, he does take the loss eventually, I assume.
Normally he
Yeah, normally he's already out. That's the problem, because it's almost like he's in hope land, la la land. Getting a decent bounce here.
I figure this has to come up to at least like 96 for him to get green. I think. I don't know I don't know where he is.
Yeah. I have no idea.
Yeah, none of us know how earnings or how calls really work.
Oh.
I know how they
Look at
work.
the APH,
It's-
dude. It just fell totally apart.
Well, he's like $1,200 better than he was a couple minutes ago. So.
Holy Nikes. That's what gets the views, though, huh? Those big swings and. I don't know if Tim will ever, even when he does make more money, because he's still going to be a somewhat responsible trader, I hope. pray. I wish that for you. I don't know if you'll ever get the views these freaking dudes who are willing to just win big or lose big. I think that's always going to be what the bulk majority of people want and want to see.
Oh yeah, no, I agree.
Unfortunately, they don't want to see realistic, this is how you actually survive trading. Nobody really cares about that.
I mean, you have people like Badass. They have that one huge year, and everyone's like, "Oh my God, look how much money he made in 1 year!" And it's like, well, he clearly can't replicate it.
And he's still getting views just because it's freaking crazy.
Yeah.
It's literally just because, oh my God, he lost like freaking $80,000 today.
I don't know why people are paying. He has like a room or something you pay for now, doesn't he?
Badass?
Doesn't he have something you pay for?
Oh, he's had that for a while, even before that big year.
I'll be right back. I gotta go help downstairs.
And didn't you learn how to trade like Tesla in Matt Ads's room? Just kidding. That was a good one.
You asshole.
Dude, there's enough time between today and that I can make a joke.
Yeah, you could have made a joke the next day. I'm always fine the next day.
Did you see that freaking pop and drop on Inviv?
No.
That might be the end of that one.
Oh, ouch, yeah.
I had to go back up and said, nope. AUPH almost back down to the bottom of the chart. That's fantastic. That just never triggered me in. How you doing today, Timmy boy?
I have one trade on Fiverr and a small green, nothing special. At the time, it looked like a good exit because it went back towards the highs, but then it failed and it's been failing ever since. It's kind of depressing, but coin's trying to bounce. It's almost kind of went into follow the SPY mode now.
That's it?
Yeah, it's kind of just doing what the SPY does.
Oh, fudge. I was looking at LSID and just realized we don't have shares. I am having a wonderful day.
Have you taken a trade?
Pre-market. I have one trade from pre-market. I shorted staff. And I didn't really do great on it, but made a little bit.
I didn't see any charts, that's why.
I didn't post it, dude. I made freaking $8 on the trade. It just doesn't seem worthwhile.
Damn, I'm beating you again. I'm up $13.77.
But yeah, I'm still beating you on the week.
Hey, fuck you.
This has been the way it's been though lately for me, man. I get like really good days or just like nah. It's like a few really decent days, not just gold, but like above gold. It's just kind of crappy. It's annoying. I would like them all to be really good. There's my beautiful staff short. I didn't post that for obvious reasons.
What we watching?
Nada, man. Honestly, I kind of wish I would have shorted staff again when I got up here, but you said we had a couple 100,000, didn't you?
WKHS worth I.
Tim?
Korea ping up. 100
Say that again?
KTB.
We had a couple
Yeah, we got
100,000 on
120
staff.
right now.
Nah, I
staff?
wish I would have shorted. Yeah. I kind of wish I would have shorted it like above, like around 480 when I got back up here. And that would have been a decent short. Oh well.
5-ish would be great
I
if
did not.
shares still avail.
I was kind of kicking myself. The reason I was really pissed off about that trade was it didn't even have 1 million in volume. It was a lot of things that I normally don't do. I don't normally short in the pre-market.
SJ still holding on. Just trying to come up. Spy's making a pretty nice move up too. Help.
I made a nice little move up. That 413 I had as a level, which is where it came down to 413.30s.
See, this is where
exactly this line.
yeah, this is where I don't understand options. Like coins going up and his unrealized just went down.
Really?
Yeah.
Because it's something to do with like
The time decay and
What-
stuff.
yeah, and like what people are willing to pay. I don't know. I don't understand it fully, dude.
I don't.
It can change. It's not just like, hey, if I bought at 89, it's this at 88, this at 90. You know what I mean?
Well, yeah, there's like gamma and deltas
Yeah,
and
there's all
time
this crap I
decay
don't
and
understand.
yeah. It's all like jargon for I'm gonna take your money.
Hey, try this and see what happens. Oh, crap. You lost a lot of money. Sorry. 2 more days, guys. 2 more days. Chili peppers and the last day of having.
So I can't
anybody
wait
in
for the
this
fucking
house.
chili peppers to happen because I'm so tired of hearing about the fucking chili peppers.
Why are you so emotional, Thomas? What is going on? Have you quit vaping?
Nah, negative.
You've been kind of angry lately.
I am fasting today.
I'll say you need a food. You need a meal.
You know it's something with a dude. It's something missing. You know what he's addicted to: lack of sex, or he's hangry.
You can always tell when Thomas is like just not in the greatest mood. Why you been fasting so much,
It's
man?
no different than DT and Tim getting on F1 and a bunch of cars that go around in fucking circles and left-hand turns.
Hey.
Angry about everything. Jesus.
You wanna get emotional? You're about to make me emotional. No, I'm just kidding.
Are you doing like a once a week fast or something? Is that thing you fast?
No, actually twice a week I do it.
Oh,
Damn,
dang.
Thomas,
2
I
days
just
a
saw
week,
a
huh?
picture of you. You're looking a little fat, bro.
Yeah, man. Working on it though.
Where are you seeing these pictures?
Don't ask
Post
questions
them
I
up in the
can't
room,
answer.
baby.
Jealousy will get you nowhere, is there, D?
Yeah,
Oh man.
it'll get
I'll
you a
send
D.
a pic
That's
if you
about
send
it.
me one. That's what I'm talking about.
Like, look at Coin. It's just
Oh.
going steadily up, and his P&L is just staying the same. That would frustrate the
weird.
hell out of me. It's went from 93 to 94 to almost 95, and his P&L has been stuck at minus 5,000 for pretty much the entire move.
That sounds annoying.
Yeah, I would not be happy about it.
Hey Tim.
Yo.
You're friends on Facebook with the owner of Wendy's, Dave Thomas?
Maybe?
You're friends with somebody named Dave Thomas on Facebook? I don't know who it is. But that was the only
Oh,
point.
he was a fellow umpire. Back when I
I
was
was trying to find
umpiring.
pictures of Thomas Blue, but all you got is Dave Thomas on Facebook.
I thought I was friends with Thomas on Facebook. You delete me, fucker?
No, I don't think you. I don't think we never got to that point.
We never got to that
Really?
point.
Oh, we did. Maybe I just know you have Facebook. I don't know. I thought we were friends on Facebook. It's not.
Thomas said, "Bro, you ain't worth the friendship."
See how it is.
There's a few Thomas Blues on the Book of Face over here.
I thought it could be worse. It could be like some guy Devin that doesn't follow you on any of your social media and stuff like that.
We're friends on Facebook.
Other than Facebook, something that he obviously doesn't have to do every day. He just hits a button one time and it's over.
Hey, I got to like the picture of his puppy. I mean,
I didn't even know he got a fucking puppy.
see, if you were friends on Facebook, you would have known. Oh my lord, dude, we've already gone into nothing moving. We should have all shorted staff, bro. Kind of kicking myself on that one. Would you not take that trade, Tim?
Staff and it's too slow.
It's such an obvious trade, though. Like when it failed 480 to me, it's just like that's a dead end trade, but. That's the only thing that set up at all. AUPH didn't really set up. Coin, no setup. Coin kind of set up. I could have shorted below 111, but that was just too risky. Risky biscuits. No, well. I got the kids home again today and tomorrow. But then no more. It's all done. What the hell? See, is FRGE 10? Has this just been halted for hours?
Yes. No, it's 10:52.
Yeah, it has
Yeah,
been
actually,
halted
actually.
again. We actually ran out of shares.
Yeah, we don't have shares. So.
Good times. I was
FRGEHTV.
just going through the list of things that are moving.
BAOS 28K.
Man, I like sleeping. I don't do enough of it. AMD back up over 101. She's so grindy though.
And yeah, look at that one, Tim. FRGE. No imbalance.
Yeah. Weird.
We need our boy Jag. FRGE resumed.
Yeah, coin's almost back to 96 and he's still down 4,000.
Really?
Yeah,
Yeah,
makes no
I
sense.
officially just do not understand those. Not that I ever did, but the cat's in the cradle and the zoo. Tomorrow we got the meet the teacher day. We're back to school on Monday.
ATI earnings.
Crazy, in another 2 weeks I drive my kid out to Reno and say bye. And Viv is done.
I want to see what you're talking about. How can I view this? Who's down money? Oh, it's SJ on Twitch. Stock Jock. It is the time decay slash theta. It really isn't that hard to understand. If SJ has an option that expires today, i.e. a weekly option, then time decay is very fast. So a stock that is just grinding will lose value real fast. Well, let's see. It expires, what's today? It expires tomorrow. So it expires this week. And it's a 120 call. So I guess the less likely it looks like it'll finish at 120 by the end of the week. But I guess that makes sense. Got AMD going. All right, Thomas, I give up. I tried finding you on Facebook. I can't find. Spent 2 long minutes trying to find you. Couldn't find.
2 minutes, jeez, bro.
Yeah, that was a little too long.
Is it worth it?
I mean, I didn't find them, so no. But then again, maybe so, because maybe I don't want to be friends. I haven't figured that out yet.
Yeah, I mean, kids suck.
Oh, by the way, I won't be here tomorrow. I totally forgot to tell you guys that.
There you go.
I'd rather not say while I'm streaming why I'm not going to be here.
Uh-oh.
But I will
Alright.
tell you guys. Actually, hold on. I can just
Later.
mute the mic.
Don't read those lips, bitches. I gotcha. Did you not want to say that because of the controversial element around the topic? Gotcha. Now we know you are.
Hog up. Halted.
Oh, okay. Okay. I gotcha.
758 KTB.
It's like, I don't trust all those people in that room. Alright. Is that like an all day thing?
Oh, he's stating that.
Yeah,
course.
it's two 8-hour courses. Yeah, don't say it out loud,
Oh,
Thomas.
dang. Is it really?
Yeah, so it starts at 10 tomorrow until 6, and then it's actually, I think, starts later tomorrow, but it's 8 hours as well. Yeah, it's a 16-hour course, and they turn it into 2 days.
That's something. Tomorrow and Friday, or wait, today's Thursday. Yes.
Yeah, it's Friday and Saturday.
Okay. So you're gonna miss Friday and then Saturday, obviously. It's cool. I don't have any courses I'm gonna take tomorrow, but I do have a concert I'm gonna go to on Saturday. You guys want to hear about it?
I'm not going to mention any names, but I am going to the
Yeah,
concert.
I'm not gonna say who it is, but I'll be attending a concert.
You're back again.
I'm excited. We're taking the father-in-law seats again, so it's all the free food and drinks, and it's pretty fun.
So what is the fall? Does he just get them, or he's subscribed to something?
Well, we bought them
ATI
this
nibble.
time. I mean, we bought the tickets from him, but basically, he at the Allegiant Stadium, the Raiders Stadium, he has suite tickets that are his. So for all Raiders games, he can go to any all of them for free.
Well, it's
you
not
know, he pays
free, but
well, he pays
Yeah.
for them, but it's once, you pay once a year and it's yours for the year.
Right.
And then anytime there's a concert or anything there, he gets first dibs at a cheaper price, because basically whenever you buy from Ticketmaster, they just basically
Gotcha.
bought up all those tickets and they up the price for you.
Dollar.
So he gets them cheaper than I can get them from Ticketmaster, but they're his seats. They still come with all the free food and drink once you bought the tickets. Basically, the difference is we got them for $150 a ticket, and right now, like online for the nosebleed seats, they're like $350 a seat.
Holy sheep shit, Batman.
And we're not nosebleed, obviously, and we get the get to go to the club lounge and eat and drink for free and all that fun stuff. So it's cool. It's pretty cool. His tickets right now are like $5 something per ticket, and we got them for $150. Like for tickets in the same area. Last I looked, let's see, I'll look now. Told you, man, the concerts on our side and here in Vegas are so much more expensive than everywhere else. Let's see if I was going to get tickets in the same area, how much they would be. That's basically where we are. Some of them actually gone down. I can get kind of a little further back than where we are for $300 a ticket, but I mean, that's still double what we paid.
it kind of sucks, huh?
Ooh. This is better though. Oh my god, dude.
Actually, my
General admission to get
vasectomy,
into the,
I have
like,
to
the
give
pit
them my
area
sample on the
for
9th,
this concert. How much
which is
do you
what,
guys think?
Tuesday? Yeah,
850.
Tuesday.
Alright, a little cheaper. I mean, there are some that
Bangkok,
are
I
up there,
can
but
neither confirm nor
it's
deny
not the cheapest. The cheapest pit
that
area
that is the
tickets are
class.
$706 per ticket.
But that is a 16-hour class, isn't
Holy
it?
shit.
It'd be a $1,400 concert, bro.
RGE still going?
I can't justify that type of money for a concert, man.
I wonder if that's it.
Everybody's saying the Chili Peppers have been awesome live. I hope they don't let me down. Cause like Metallica was so good live.
Now, see what you're saying, like going to a suite like that or something. I could see myself doing that and going to see, you know, Metallica or Chili Peppers. Going to sit down in the general public, I'm past those days.
Yeah, no, it's nice because of where we are. You know, we're not dealing with everybody, you know, bumping into
Odd
you
nibble.
and fighting through crowds. You're in your little
OG
area.
halting up.
What is it?
OG, just it's dollar.
Kind of got spoiled with these type of tickets, man. Like Metallica, we did not get those tickets, so we were just kind of with the general public. And it was, I mean, still the concert was awesome though, but
Ouch. He took a 2,000 share trade on ENVB at $12, and he ended up selling it at $10.85. That
what?
was a $2,000 loss, and he's still in coin as it's going
Which
back
is
down.
down how
Now he's
much?
down 5,700 right now.
And what's his realize right now?
On coin, nothing. He doesn't realize
No, just
anything.
in general.
Oh, I don't know. I'd have to go back to the beginning of the stream and look. But I mean, he just lost he lost 2,200 bucks there on ENVB.
That's bananas, dude.
It was up 6K and I gave it all back.
Keep it all back and then some.
The Chili Peppers? Yeah, he's still talking about the Chili Peppers.
I do not understand that. That's like foreign language to me.
Risky for the biscuit.
Yeah, I'm going to watch OG out of the halt. This is its second halt.
Did you go to the OGs when you were here in Vegas?
Is that a strip club? Oh, Olympic Garden.
Yeah. It is a strip club.
Yeah, I did not.
Hey, they got an area for your wife too. You guys could have fun. You could have gone upstairs. She could have stayed
Yeah,
downstairs.
Market.
Or,
It's
dude, if
kind
you're
of
into
funny how that
downstairs,
happens,
but I
right?
know you.
Everyone seems to be a guru in their own
You
little
watch the
way.
guys too. It's cool.
Like if you notice Doc Jock, I mean, I love the dude. He's awesome. He's as transparent as can be if you watch him every day. And you know what's going on, but like
up a little bit
when
here.
it comes to like posting on
Side drop
YouTube
on the
and
phone.
stuff, he's only posts
Back down.
like the big days and stuff like that. So
Move back.
everyone can be a guru in their own little way, unfortunately. That's exactly why I try to not do that. I try to just show everything every day, all day, every single time. I don't hide nothing. Seen it?
Aren't there stay inside? My dog literally smells like a sweaty dog.
This shot.
It's supposed to rain
CNET
today.
up.
Yeah,
Log
you
into
here?
My,
Just curious what the imbalance was on OG.
is about to open. I want to look at it.
It's gonna open in about 20 seconds. If it's 5 minutes.
Yeah, AMD's giving up. Man, I don't like when I haven't made money at this point. I just don't typically like to start trading now. You know? So I got something being delivered to me.
Order filled.
Did you get in that, Tim?
Yeah, I took a stab at 112. I haven't added. I went small too. I only took 100 shares. I was just looking for that quick retest of $1, but didn't really get it.
What up, Kiss?
I am NOG, small, but minute. And it's currently
Oh, it's
halted
halted
up
up.
again. Yeah.
Good times.
In OG with you. OG 527 KTB now.
I just don't want to trade. I hate it when it's past 8 o'clock. I haven't made money. What's your average on the OG? Did you get it into the halt?
No, I got it out of the last halt when it seemed like it was jiggling. In at 112. Probably could have got 120 or like 118-ish, but I was kind of waiting to see if it would halt again because the halt was at 121. I didn't want to get in right then. I wanted to see if it would fail first, and it looked like it was about to fail, so I jumped in, and then it kind of just stopped right there. It never went below like 109. Kind of frustrating. I had just put an order out at 101, just trying to get the dollar retest, just small little scalp. But it decided to go up and halt again, so... Whoa, we are
QH
running out
plenty.
of shares pretty quickly while it's halted.
How many do you see we have?
Agog 370k.
Well, we had 600k when I started it. Then it was like 5
DNAG.
something,
Dang
like
asterisk.
500 or so when it halted, and now it's at 375. Like as the halt has been going, they're losing some shares.
GRNQNTB.
Today is just not going to be a bad day. I always feel like if I have mid money in the first hour and a half, I ain't gonna make money, you know? Well, we're past the busiest, best time for me. It's over.
A minute. This thing's trying to halt too. Wonder if they're related. Oh. This should be unhalting in about 20 seconds. 6 cent spread on a 60-cent stock? Probably gonna stay away from that. Not that it was any better on this one. Should be unhalting.
MD, ripping to the highest. Ay, 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 ay. I'm just so not on it today.
10-minute halt, I guess. Oh, the delayed halt.
Order cancelled.
Oh, that sucks.
yeah.
I should have held it. I should have held it, but I just got out because I'm not gonna mess with it.
Halting down.
Yeah. I probably should have held this, knowing it's probably gonna go down back to 70 cents or something.
Well, I missed the UG open, haha. QH dollar.
That was kind of dick up, that delayed opening like that.
Same, it was late. Thought 10
Wish I would have got
minutes,
the ad up
but
there.
I took it off just to be done with it. Didn't get an ad.
I was gonna add, you know, if it obviously ran up a little higher, bigger in 140s. I'm not even gonna be annoyed. I had my order at 101. I was like, why is it not going? And I looked over and I was like, oh, it's at the halt bros. This will probably gap down to like 70 cents and I'll be sad, but whatever.
You sounded slightly annoyed, Tim.
Not really. I think I made a haste reaction there just because it was halting. But I should have realized that that was probably a good thing. But I also don't like being stuck in these ones that just halt over and over again. So SJ's strategy on coin right now is to just not be at his computer and just ignore it. He's now down 6,300.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah, look, it's still at $94 and it went all the way back down to that. Well, apparently, so there's time decay on these, like I was saying earlier, and these expire tomorrow, and they're $120 calls. So he basically bought them saying, I think these will go up to 120 by tomorrow. So I'm guessing that people are starting to not believe
waits
that.
at the end of the day. Like this thing goes down to like 80, and then less people can believe it's going to 120 tomorrow.
Well, right, but I think he can only lose what the contract is worth, and like right now it's at 45 cents. I mean, and it can only go to 0. So it would just expire worthless if he held it until tomorrow. Which I don't understand why. Let's see. .25 times 80. It's the trying to figure out how to need the market value. I don't know how to get the amount that he's down. His cost basis is 1.25. Oh, that would be like having 8,000 shares, right? 8,000. No, that's still not right either. That would be $10,000. He said.
Hello, motherfucker.
That's because I don't know how this works. Do you know how this works, Bangkok?
You looking it up, Tim?
Yeah, I'm trying to figure it out. He paid 125 times 60 times 100. How does that work? Times 60.
I guess how that works.
Times 100. Is that how? But that says. Oh, because that's what the max loss would be. So where's the times 60 and times 100 come from? Like
trade AMD.
So the max he can lose is 7,500.
Okay.
Which that's probably why he's like, well, I'm basically already there. Who cares? I'll just let it go.
Indeed, it works out, or I lose another $1,000.
Yeah.
It's funny though, because Jag was commenting on him at the beginning of the day, saying how much he's up.
100 is the total. 60 is the contract. I thought he had 80.
Up $6,000.
Yeah, he has 80.
If he lets those things expire, it looks like he'll be down $7,000.
So it would be times 80 times 100. 100 is the total of what?
1,000. But you say he took a $2,000 loss already. I have no clue.
Yeah, so I did the math wrong. It's actually 10,000. So apparently you do the cost basis times the... Oh, so that's what I was doing. Okay, I was trying to find out his current unrealized, but in reality I was figuring out his max loss. Okay. Yeah, so you take the cost basis, which was $1.25, times the amount of contracts, which is 80. And since each contract is basically 100 shares, you would times it by 100. And so that would be 10,000. OG is open. So I would have got a little better of a fill, looks like. Not enough to worry about with 100 shares. If it would have opened at 70, I might have been a little sad. But this is what I'm saying. I'd have to wait through another halt and then another halt.
Yeah, if you were in a ton of money, maybe it would be worth it, you know?
Yeah, he's down quite a bit. Oh, he came back. He's down almost 7 grand again. Ugh.
Hey, do you do this thing where you earn market rate on your idle cash balances?
What?
On Interactive Brokers.
I don't know what you're saying.
Simple thing can earn market rate on idle cash balances.
Oh, I just saw my dog roaming. Give me.
Look at this now. I'm gonna go back to not looking at stocks that are over $100. Really want to trade it.
Og dollar.
Oh, he just rage quit.
That shit in.
No.
Did he get rid of that?
I don't know. Not
What did he
when
do? Just walk back in the room and freak out?
he didn't freak out, but he just said he was calling it a day, I guess.
I guess that basketball player tried to sneak drugs into Russia.
The
Got
woman?
sentenced to, yeah, I guess she got sentenced to 9 years in prison there.
Ah,
And Biden just called for immediate release of her.
Why?
I don't know. Why would he call for immediate release?
Yeah.
He's probably getting a lot of flack for not getting her out.
This is the same one that didn't want the pledge played at the games.
I don't know the deal from her.
Yeah, I think it is.
Yeah, I guess her trial just ended. And they sentenced her to 9 years in prison. JAN just halted Tim. See a lot of
Jan?
shares there on this. Jan. My shares be up there, but I don't see a lot, and that's not a lot of volume.
yeah, 59,000.
I don't know what to trade today. Went to check on my kid. She's asleep. Newegg getting a pop, according to Charles. Damn, Newegg, all the way down to $4. Will not be shorting that. VRNQ is kind of squeezing. HSCS halted on the circuit breaker. Good lord, this is just getting annoying.
QHOG looking for them to give the moves back, please.
Alright guys, I'm gonna get out of here. Now I can't send you to SJ. But I'm gonna go watch the latest episode of Better Call Saul and grab something to eat, and I'm gonna go bowling. If you want to hang out, I'll still be in the Discord. Also find me on Twitter, and maybe I'll send you guys to Cam. You guys can try to win 250 bucks. Yeah, I'll send you over there. All right, appreciate you being here. I'll be here. I won't be here tomorrow. I have something to do tomorrow, so I won't be here. Have a good weekend, and I'll see you guys Monday. Peace.
Time, dude. We are taking it into Thine Glory's car booth curve nets. Stick the landing on these ramps. Oh. That was the end of the map. That was actually the end of the map. That was the end. Curve net, I probably should have left out of the copy.